Flight of the Crow's Wing presents Natural Bridges, Arches, and Waterfalls, Finding the Sublime in the Big South Fork area of Tennessee and Kentucky. Part 1 of 2, Twin Arches, Natural Bridge, and Hazard Cave, featuring the Backroad Capers. The Big South Fork National River and Recreation Area, ooh, that's a mouthful, covers over 125,000 acres of the Cumberland Plateau. It spans the border between southern Kentucky and northern Tennessee. So if you're not sure which state you want to visit, why not do both? The day after setting up camp, we went on our first hike.
I am the old lady
go on a hike.
outfit.
Styling
old lady outfit.
Wow, I'm gonna have to develop a stronger wrist if I use this very much. My wrist is already hurting and I've only done about 7 seconds of filming.
This is the Twin Arches Trail. If the arches are fraternal or identical, I don't know.
Guess we'll find out.
All right, someone needs to go in front of me. I can't go first.
I like going the other way.
I think coming up these actually makes more sense. than
Okay,
going down.
I'd support that. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I think that's the other way is the way to go.
That would be dangerous.
Told you not to trust her. Told you.
You're the one that said, let's go that way.
I said definitely to go that way. I said if anything goes wrong, it's her fault. Busy. Constantly. People get hurt.
As it turns out, there's steep stairs in both directions.
These look much better than the other one.
I hear sarcasm.
Huh?
What? From Jay?
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Good luck, Jay.
Well, you know,
Godspeed.
seeing how they're wet, it adds the.
Adds to the danger. We knew we would want to see some of the natural beauty, especially waterfalls and cool rock formations. When we researched on all trails, we found a plethora of trails available. Some short, some long, many describing amazing things to see. A search of the immediate area brought up over 50 trails, so the problem was not finding a hike, but choosing which ones to do. Short hikes, long hikes, medium hikes for you. Easy hikes, hard hikes, which one do you choose? Water bottle, hiking poles, and your backpack, bug spray, a camera, and don't forget your snack. Vistas, waterfalls, rock formations too. You'll tromp up and down the hills, don't forget to tie your shoes.
Jay, 1 minute, 13 seconds to get to the bottom.
There was some trail map
No, but
confusion.
no one else volunteered to take it out.
But that would be like you lose the mystery.
I know.
Oh, okay. Well, let me close it.
Up, Jay's making a decision.
Okay.
It's an enigma wrapped in a mystery.
I'm going this way. Yeah, obviously this is built up. He's right. The question is whether that was spectacular enough to...
I think that was the trail that led over the arch. Jay doesn't want to see how spectacular it is.
Well, he's not against you going and finding out.
No.
Arch or bridge.
Well, we always knew it was an arch or bridge. But James is going to tell me whether an arch is caused by water or wind, or if a bridge is caused by water or bridge. But they're different.
Well, seeing as they call it a bridge, I'm guessing bridge is water, arch is
What is
wind.
this, Twin Arches?
A natural
My guess.
bridge.
Oh, there's an explanation right there for you down there.
Something for James to learn on his own.
Confusingly enough, the trailhead sign says this is both a natural bridge and an arch.
I am impressed. You
What did it
are the
say?
man.
He's impressed that he's out in the woods and has 5G.
Well, that's because he has an Android for some stupid reason.
Yeah, us people that have the ability to FaceTime our children or just don't get to have the fancy antennae.
Fancy antenna. Foundation of an arch.
Well, you know, you're still within earshot and there's nobody else here, so feel free to shout the answer when you have it.
You can use your outdoor voice.
Yeah,
A natural bridge is a natural stone arch that spans a valley of erosion, whereas a natural arch does not span a valley of erosion.
Oh.
Arch is caused.
A bridge is caused by water erosion, such as a stream or a river. So yes, Jay, you were
Well, sort of, but this is saying the formation of an arch is caused by a water source.
Well, you know, I'm reading from Bryce Canyon, so that's not this area.
I know.
Maybe
This is the National Park Service, so from the U.S. Department of Interior. So what do they know?
I think I figured it out. All natural bridges are arches, but not all arches are natural bridges.
Oh, I see. Like all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares.
Yeah. Look at all the erosion pockets.
I know, huh?
It's cool. That's cool.
Oh, it smells good here too.
What's it smell like?
Old Spice.
Old Spice. Old Spice natural arch smell.
One of the less known.
Yeah.
It's like what it was like in Utah.
Yeah, except for a lot more trees. And the color is completely different. Other than that, it's exactly like it.
He liked it,
And it didn't rain as much.
But they were huge and imposing and awe-inspiring.
Yes.
No, if you want to put it that way.
How are we going to record this?
I think human scale is super important.
What do you think?
I think human scale is important.
Okay, I'm going to go over up on that rock, I think. Try not to fall off it because I'm not really sure how well I can climb up on it, but I'll know when I get on the backside. All right, hold a minute. I'm going to climb up here. Under the arch. On top of a boulder. Cool.
There's actually no way to get the entire thing in a frame. It is just massive. This is the North Arch. It is 62 feet high, 51 feet of clearance, and a span of 93 feet. And if you think that's big, wait till you see the South Arch.
Now we got to go see the other one, the other twin.
And this is the South Arch. It is 103 feet high, 70 feet of clearance, and a span of 135 feet. And it's also easier to photograph.
You look so small.
Human scale is super important.
The North and South Arches are the largest natural bridge complex in the U.S. and one of the largest in the world. Did I mention that the South Arch was easier to photograph? That is one impressive natural bridge arch.
There's a lot of really pretty violets.
Bug! A bug! Video bug!
We've captured the rare and elusive bug. Boink.
Oh, it's so pretty.
No, he's like hiding his head. He's like, no! Hikers! Ah! No, I can't see the phone.
Frame it better, Beth.
Like how? What? Like. There you go. There we go. There we go. Oh gosh.
Shoot for scale.
I got his little antennas going. Oh, don't be scared. Here he's eating. I'm not sure if he's scared or he's eating.
Maybe he eats when he's scared?
Or he's shy.
Don't touch him.
No, there we go.
There he goes. Hide me, hide me.
And scene.
All that was left was to climb up a bunch of
Yeah,
stairs.
these are much better to come up. They're tilted weirdly.
They were very steep, and the recent rains had made them more than a little slip.
Is it a ladder or is it stairs? When does one become the other? Ladder like mobile and stairs are permanent?
Maybe it's a statter.
If it was an escalator, that would be
awesome. This hike was 1.41 miles and took us an hour and 20 minutes with lots of stops
Deb.
for photography.
You can make it.
Like, just don't think about it.
Just don't look down.
I know. I'm not usually like this.
On this trip, we were staying at the Bandy Creek Campground. It's a modern campground. Our paved sites were nice and level and had water and electric hookups. Nearby, they had a very nice bathhouse with clean showers and hot water. We were staying in the B Loop at sites 7 and 8.
This week we're at the Bandy Creek Campground in the Big South Fork National River Recreation Area. Our friends the Backroad Capers over there with the flip back camper. And the Wild Crow and the Crow's Wing. Crow's Wing is all set up for rain because there's a lot of rain coming.
The extra rain gear is something we always carried.
We are set up cozy and dry. And we got our little buddy here to keep us warm, a little table to play cards on. And Elizabeth is in the kitchen. Where a good woman should be.
I know about good. See, will all my salad fit in one bowl?
Maybe.
I have an extra just in case.
So yeah, we got this big double Kelty tarp hanging over the hatch of the teardrop. And it works very well in the rain. We'll see what it does in the high winds we're supposed to get. That could be an
Luckily,
issue.
the winds never came, just rain. The next day, we did the Hazard Cave and Natural Bridge trail hike at the Pickett CCC Memorial State Park. This beautiful park is adjacent to the Big South Fork. We parked at the trailhead and saw something we couldn't resist.
I love the stonework and the beach house.
This park was built by the CCC from 1934 to 1942 and is dedicated to those workers.
Well, first we're gonna hike over the unnatural bridge. Eating my cracker. Following a cracker.
Stop taking the bridge. It's always funny though somebody loses an eye.
Oh my gosh. I'm so scared.
It's dangerous. I must go faster. We're not going this way. We just walked this way to go across the bridge.
Walk this way across the bridge.
Because we're going to cross the unnatural bridge.
I
And
knew
then we're
she was
going to
gonna
go
look like
across
that.
the natural bridge.
All right, fine.
So you get your motions wrong.
It's hard to run on it because it jumps up to beat you. I'm going to take a picture of these little flowers.
The little yellow.
Yeah, because they're centered. That'll be a cool screensaver. Ooh, a little bridge.
Is that the bridge? A supernatural bridge. Now that would be something to go see.
The The natural bridge spans 86 feet and is 35 feet high.
Wow, you're so small. Now it's a bridge. I can cross it.
That's not the definition of a natural bridge.
Smooth up here.
Do we have to go over this again?
Smooth. Wow. You guys are in danger. Couldn't do that on an arch.
It's an arch and a bridge. With the teeny tiny steps. Teeny tiny steps.
Hey, just be glad you have steps at all. You know what they say, the man with no feet probably wishes that he had small steps that he could go up with his feet if he had
Probably
some.
wishes he had any feet at all, doesn't he?
Yeah,
Hiking makes us very philosophical.
to go up small steps or large steps. The man with no feet never complains about the size of his steps. That's a saying.
That's
That's
the saying
it.
right there. That's the truth. Truth bombs.
Huh?
The bench, and I bet Deb could walk through without hardly bending over.
I think so.
Wow, you're making that look really difficult, Jay. Oh my God.
Oh, I like this.
Because the arch is your size.
It is. Hello. And how is everyone today? Over here to our left, we have this bench. And it is perfectly
Side.
positioned.
To stay out of the rain.
That's not an arch. Or a tunnel. Or a bridge or whatever.
I'm sure it is. Oh my gosh, that rock looks like the state of Indiana. Or is it Illinois?
That's Illinois.
That's Illinois. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I made it.
Good thing you have to turn around.
Ow. That hurt. These trails, so narrow.
Is this the cave? Oh, gotta watch your step.
1,001 bats.
Oh, cool. What's it say, Jay?
It says the Cumberland Sandwort Rose is a small, delicate plant found only in shaded rock houses on the Cumberland Plateau, northeast Tennessee and southeast Kentucky.
Yeah. Cumberland Sandwort. Cool.
So it's not the cave?
This is the cave.
This is pretty cool.
This is the cave?
This is the cave.
Okay.
I believe this is the cave. I think this is the cave. Do I look like a tour guide?
Dude, she looked like a caveologist.
Do I look like a caveologist?
Wouldn't have brought all my balloons in here.
This looks like a great place. Oh, over there, there's some benches. Sit and try out the Buc-ee's teriyaki jerky.
We stopped at Buc-ee's on the way down. Ask us how we really feel about Buc-ee's.
Well, you're going to have to share because I didn't bring any snack.
You were told to bring snacks.
It turned out the Bucky's teriyaki jerky was just okay. But these rock shelters, they were awesome. And yes, technically, these are rock shelters, not caves. But we're not going to get into that today. We've already had enough geological lessons.
Maybe we'll be lucky and see a bladderwort. Wow, it's a pretty deep cave.
Not a cave, it's a rock shelter.
Pretty sweet.
Like the firehouse.
Yeah, it does.
It makes you wonder just how many groups of friends this place has sheltered over the centuries, and how many more to come.
That's good. Oh, look, Jay's doing trail maintenance.
Good job, Jay.
I mean, there's no rock climbing, but
This is gorgeous down here. Get it? Gorgeous.
I got it, we're in a gorge. This hike was 2.44 miles long and took us 1 3/4 hours. Afterwards, we had a nice lunch in one of the park's picnic shelters. The locals were a bit loud and a little pushy. They kept honking at us and honking at us, wanting our snacks. You know how I feel about freeloaders. Thanks for watching.
What is that saying that forgiveness is the scent of the violet on the heel that crushed it? Like, what a load of coarse crap.
Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. Attributed to Mark Twain.
So sorry to get in your way. I forgive you.
Forgiveness is your blood on my heel after I've crushed your head under my boot.
Ah, more trail philosophy. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and check out our other stuff.